In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer XRP from Kraken to Ledger Nano X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have XRP available on your Kraken account and you would like to change it or transfer it over to your Ledger Nano X or your Ledger Nano S, you can easily do this by setting up the wallet on Ledger and then inputting it onto Kraken. So to start, connect your Ledger to your PC and open Ledger Live. At the left side of the screen, you will find the option to manage your accounts, choose the plus sign to add a new one, and in here you can select XRP as the wallet asset. Now, once you choose XRP, you will be guided through the process. You will have to use the screen on your device to confirm it, and you will be given the address. So all that you have to do now is copy this address. On this example here, it is a Bitcoin wallet, but of course for you, it's going to be XRP as long as you selected the currency or the crypto asset at the first option here. Once you have the asset where you will be receiving XRP, go to Kraken and use the transfer crypto option at the left menu. Once you choose transfer crypto, you can select between depositing or withdraw, which will allow you to transfer your XRP to a wallet outside of Kraken. So choose withdraw, select XRP. The network should be set up automatically, but if it isn't, you can manually check it here. And then on the withdraw address, all that you have to do is add the address that you acquired from Ledger. So choose the option to add a new withdraw address. You can paste it here as soon as you have it available from copying it within Ledger Live. If you don't have it copied, just open Ledger Live and click on your XRP wallet. You will receive an email address asking you to confirm that you want to add this address to Kraken, and once it is confirmed, it will be listed and you can choose it to finish making this transaction. You will find it available on your transactions page. You will see the specific amount of XRP that you chose to transfer, any included fees, the network, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer XRP from Kraken to Ledger Nano X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.